From Philadelphia, this is Fox 29 News at 10.
Coming to Philadelphia for an outpatient surgery, well, why not recover in style? The Ritz-Carlton. It's offering a program that will give patients and their families somewhere to stay and relax when they're in town for treatment. The program is new, but the concept really is not. We're going to talk a little bit more about that. Dr. Bucky has been using the Ritz for his patients on his own for years. He's a plastic surgeon right here in Philadelphia. It is so good to see you today.
Thanks, Carrie Lee.
So this is really interesting. In fact, wasn't it your practice that kind of got the ball rolling on this idea in the beginning?
I think so. 10 years ago when the Ritz first opened, we thought there was an opportunity at the new Ritz to utilize their concierge services for our patients, surrounding surgery in particular.
Well, they have a beautiful facility, everybody knows that, but how did you identify that the Ritz had something that could perhaps help patients? You know, why was there a need for something like this?
The Ritz has historically been known to care for people, particularly with their abundance of concierge services. And who better than patients who are recovering to require personalized care, individualized needs. The Ritz was new to town in their new location. I thought our practice would utilize it, and it's worked out very, very well.
What sorts of things do people get? Get specific. I know there's transportation, I think, to and from appointments at the hospital.
Yes. Coordination, not only transportation to and from the hospital, individualized diet needs. We supply nursing care to keep them connected to our practice, yet the privacy that patients have, the care that they need are all well taken care of. The Ritz is even coordinating office visits and patient hours as well. Over the years, we've been able to speak each other's language so that the newness of the hospital environment or the doctor's environment is not new to the Ritz, and it's very comforting to have that transition.
So it sounds great. In fact, it sounds like a dream way to recuperate, and it brings business to Philadelphia, all those sorts of good things, but how about the money? I mean, it is the Ritz we're talking about.
Right, it is, but on the flip side, as the trends in hospital stays shorten, it's probably in many ways less expensive staying at a hospital. It's certainly less expensive than traveling back and forth to home, and in particular for both out-of-town guests and even for people in the region who don't want to have surgery and then drive that day. And I think the value in that far outweighs the inconveniences it costs and the safety factor to some people.
Sure, and certainly a very comfortable way to start feeling a little bit better. All right,
Indeed.
Dr. Bucky, very interesting. Thanks so much for letting us know about it.
Thank you.